Okay, well, we're getting ready to go off. Today we're going off to Mainz, and at the moment we're in Frankfurt, and it's on the Main River, and it joins up with the Rhine, so we have to go down the Main River beside it for quite a while. We had to bring our bikes up last night into the hotel room, which is plenty of room, but they didn't have a separate bike storage area, and we had a lot of panniers and stuff we had to move around. So here we are in the room getting ready to go. Bikes are all put together, helmets will be on the head as soon as we leave. The airport is just 5 minutes away, and we just have to find a path down to the Main River beside it and find the pathway. It's the Velo 15, I think. And yeah,
actually it's not. Sorry. No, I think it's bike track 3 or something.
Oh, but it's
so the Eurovelo 15 actually follows the Rhine thereabouts. So
once we get to the Rhine,
once we get to the Rhine one, which is about 31 kilometres away.
Oh, just 5 minutes away.
All flat, lovely.
For us, really good cyclists. Never mind, that's fine. So yeah, so it'll be kind of exciting in a way to get going. I believe it's going to rain soon, but yeah, we should be out of here in half an hour. And yep, you better get your shoes on now.
Wish us luck.
Wish us luck.
Bye.
Bye. Tuesday, everyone. This is our first morning in Frankfurt. We got in yesterday. Our bikes did not arrive with us, so they came on a later flight, and so we had to book into a hotel. Real shame. And go back and get the bikes at 7 o'clock last night. So we're going to get going in the next couple of hours, and we'll take a little video on our way. So here's hoping all goes well. No falls. Cheers.
You always catch me when I'm eating. Good morning, everyone. We had a fantastic night's sleep last night. It was a bit of a blessing the bikes didn't arrive, because we were able to have a nice night. The Hilton on Hampton, which was just across the road from the airport, Terminal 2, and cannot recommend it highly enough. Fantastic.
Beautiful. What I noticed is when I went to get my jam, no little disposable paper cups or anything. It's like a little ice cream cone. Get two for the price of one. Well, they're taking environmental stuff seriously. Tuesday, everyone. This is our first morning in Frankfurt. We got in yesterday. Our bikes did not arrive with us, so they came on a later flight, and so we had to book into a hotel. Real shame. And go back and get the bikes at 7 o'clock last night. So we're going to get going in the next couple of hours, and we'll take a little video on our way. So here's hoping all goes well. No falls. Cheers.
You always catch me when I'm eating. Good morning, everyone. We had a fantastic night's sleep last night. It was a bit of a blessing the bikes didn't arrive, because we were able to have a nice night. The Hilton on Hampton, which was just across the road from the airport, Terminal 2, and cannot recommend it highly enough. Fantastic.
Beautiful. What I noticed is when I went to get my jam, no little disposable paper cups or anything. It's like a little ice cream cone. Get two for the price of one. Well, they're taking environmental stuff seriously.
Frankfurt Airport. We're on our way.
Oh dear. Stop, it's the river. River Main. Oh, I won't fall in. There we go. Down at the River Main for the first time.
So we've just done 8 kilometres to get to here. Very easy cycling.
Very easy.
Beautiful big
No
wide
rain.
river.
Yeah.
It's a bit dirty at the moment.
Church steeple over there.
Yeah, there's been a fair bit of rain here yesterday and the day before. So there's some flash floods around the area, but so far so good. Onwards and upwards, or upwards and downwards.
Sunny's on soon. There's sun up there somewhere.
Well, we just cycled from the airport down to the River Main, M-A-I-N, and we're heading for the town of Mainz, or Mainz, M-A-I-N-Z. It's a lovely, cool, overcast day. Doesn't look like it's going to rain now. I think it's going to rain about 3 o'clock, so we should be at Mainz well before that. We may spend a night at a hotel there and do a bit of shopping. We need to get another extra couple of small panniers, which I can put on the front of my bike, and also I need to get a couple of camera attachments for Anne so that she can also do a bit of chatting as we go along. But it's a beautiful cycle and I've really missed this and cannot wait to hit the River Rhine in Mainz and head off tomorrow towards Basel. That'll be another week or so before we get there. Basel, right on the border of Switzerland and France. And in fact, a few years ago we cycled from Basel after taking the train with the bikes from Zurich to Basel on the border, and we cycled right across, I think it was about 1500 kilometres, right across to the Atlantic coast. Yes, I just rode past someone that was giving me a strange look talking to myself like this. Anyway, I shall sign off for now. Here's one of the many barges that you will find up and down the, not only the River Main, but of course the Rhine. This one looks like it has coal on board, unless it's some sort of road base, but it looks like coal from here. I'll just zoom in.
Bermuda Triangle. Oh, Bermuda. Oh my God. Got 3 or 4. This is on our way into Mainz, a beautiful little garden. Isn't it gorgeous? I thought this was a real live dog for a second before I pulled up. And he was guarding the sheep. Isn't that lovely?
Salamanders on the wall there.
Oh yeah. Look at all the salamanders. As Al said, I hadn't noticed. Lovely. And this is our bike track, and we're not far from Mainz. You puffing up? Sucking in the gut. Not official. Oops. Well, here we go. We've nearly got to Maynes, which is 30 kilometres since the airport, and we've just got to the mighty River Rhine, which has already been joined by the River Mayenne. And well, we just had to stop. There was a train going past at a fierce speed, and it's a Saturday, so there's lots and lots of people out, lots of families, all on bikes and little carriages for the kids, and everyone out enjoying themselves and getting fit. So we're probably going to have lunch at Maynes and probably our first beer.
Beer.
And yeah, we'll show you what it's like.
Bye.
Bye. Well, here we are. We're just at the Rhine, and Al is about to have his first beer and something to eat. We've done 30 kilometres, and the first beer in Germany. So hopefully it's a good one. So we're on a Schafferhofen Weizen something. I'm not really into pronunciation of German. It's probably, is it a German beer? I guess it is. I don't think she'd sell us anything else, would you? Oh, grapefruit. Wow, okay.
It's not.
Oh, just a false glass. Well, day one. We're a little lost, but Al knows the way, so we can see the cyclist in the distance. But on the positive side, we've been seeing lovely, all these fields tilled and ready for the summer crops, etc. So, well, we are actually taking a shortcut. Yeah. We're nearly there.
Wedding party, perhaps?
Could be. There's two of them. There's more up behind, I'd say. How are you going so far, Al?
We're a bit sore in the back.
We're on our way to Worms. I don't know how you say it, but anyway, that's where we're off to.
Then I should be sore in the bum then.
Yeah. You're a bit... Show me again, Al. You're a bit worried. You've had a nice drink of it, though. Fresh water. Anyway, it tastes good, I said. I think I'll stick to my bottle. But we are on our way to Wales.